Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini IEBC nigeire na mweke gwikinya mbere ya kamiti ya hamwe igie watho na kihoto kuma bunge ya bururi-ini iria ya Senate niguo gutariria mawoni mao megie mutaratara wa watho wigie gutabania mugaruruku gatiba-ini wa BBI hindi ya gikaro gia gatatu gia kamiti ino. Muikariri giti Wafula Chebukati akihuthira mweke uyu ahinyiriirie ati riendekithia ria kumbwo kwa icigo bunge ingi 70 thiini wa kaunti 28 ni mugaru na watho. Kuona kamiti ya IEBC noyo iri na hinya wa gigatiba kugayania icigo cia ubunge bururi-ini.
The work of allocating those constituencies and is the work of IEBC. And for this reason, a constitutional amendment process can only therefore determine the number of constituencies, but should not assign the same to respective counties as in the case with the BBI Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill. It will contradict the existing provisions of Article 84C and 89 of the Constitution, therefore, thereby sending possible legal challenges to the delimitation process.
Chebukati akihinyiriria IEBC ndiakuruhanirio na njira yothe hari kumbwo kwa riendekithia riri ni kamiti ya BBI. Wiro riugite no wao ta kamiti ya IEBC kuringana na gicunji kia 84 na 89 gia gatiba ya bururi.
I don't know how the BBI report or how the BBI team came up with the 70 constituencies, the allocation of the 70 constituencies to the respective counties. So I don't know what factors they took in consideration and what factors they did not take in consideration. There was no consultation on the part of the commission.
Meaneo riri njikanirio ya miario yumiririe gatagati ka IEBC na ruhonge rwa ndari bururi-ini thutha wa kuhithuka ati eria ya matire na ithabu ria kuonania namba ya uingi wa andu icigo-ini itiganite cia ubunge bururi-ini. Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa ndari George Obutho okiriire IEBC ni gukorwo matamanete fairo cia kuonania namba icio. Riri Chebukati ugite gwika uguo IEBC igikorwo ikineana wira wayo wa gigatiba kuri ruhonge ruru rwa ndari.
We have not given them soft copies of the shape files for the simple reason that is simply ceding our mandate to another agency to do the work for us. We don't know what population, how they are going to populate them.
We have a mandate of collecting the numbers, but IEBC has the mandate over the political boundaries, just the way Survey of Kenya has the mandate for defining the administrative boundaries.
Chebukati ona kuri uguo neteteire IEBC kumana na gucererwo kwambiriria kwa mihango ya kumurika weru mihaka ya icigo cia ubunge. Akiuga undu uyu ucungiriirio ni kwaga kuheo kigina ni ministry ya kigina undu umwe na kwaga fairo cia uingi wa andu kuma ruhonge rwa ndari.
Let me start by confirming.
Ngiribuatara Kameme TV, Jitogo Mwaura, Wagunya.